This weird little product within the health and wellness niche is absolutely crushing it on TikTok Shop right now. And let's talk about the reasons why. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what the product is exactly. We're going to look at why it's crushing it on TikTok Shop. We're going to look at profit margins for sellers, and we're going to look at affiliate potentials for TikTok Shop affiliates as well. The best way to sell the product, as well as I'm going to show you a hack on how to create high quality video content if you are an e-commerce brand without the actual headache. So you might want to stick around for that. Firstly, as we are talking about the health wellness niche, some interesting stats. Now in 2025, the health and wellness e-commerce market is currently worth around $580 billion, and it has been growing year on year. In 2026, it's predicted to be worth around $638 billion. So that'll be a 10% growth roughly from this year. In 2027, it's going to go up to around $710 billion, and it just keeps going up. 2028, 2029, 2030, more and more growth. So I just wanted to show these stats to show the opportunity that is there if you are someone that's considering getting into the health and wellness e-commerce niche. So looking at the products that we are talking about in this video, the product is called a calming drink. It's infused with ashwagandha, which has some elements that help with relaxing, unwinding, that side of things. Now, the reason why it's crushing it currently on TikTok Shop, just in the last 30 days, it has sold 51,250 units and it has generated revenue of around 1.6 million. And if we look at the last 7 days, 411,780 with 12,150 units sold. Let us also look at potential profit margins. Now, just a rough estimate here because I couldn't find the actual product, but if we look at DOBA, which is a dropshipping product supplier for USA dropshipping sellers, if we look at a similar type of product, this water soluble CBD oil, which gets added to drinks, is currently $12.24 per unit. If you think of this being around that mark when you are purchasing it from your supplier, you're looking at some pretty decent profit margins. In terms of TikTok Shop affiliates, you can see here that the commission rate for the product is 30% at a selling price of anywhere from $37.15 to around $37.95, which is not too bad. In terms of best way to sell this product, just remember there's different ways of selling, right? You can sell live, you can sell just from your store where people go into your online store and just buy the product from there. You can sell also by doing on-demand video, which is recording a video, uploading it on TikTok and letting the algorithm do its thing. We can see here that the majority units that were sold this week came from on-demand video. Out of 411,780, $390,430 came from on-demand video. This is a positive indicator. Of course, on-demand video is one of the easier ways to sell. You just create a video, upload it on TikTok, make sure you've done all your SEO and followed all the community guidelines, and from there you kind of just forget about it. So that's a good indicator as well. That means it's going to be attractive to TikTok Shop affiliates because it's not a live only type of product where someone has to be on for hours talking and interacting with people. If you are a busy e-commerce brand, of course, we have to appreciate that you might not have time to create these types of videos, which are often videos where you have to show your face. Now, this is why we created VLC Media, which is our professional video service, where for one monthly subscription, you get unlimited video content. As a brand, you simply just submit a request. We review the request. We get the video delivered to you within a very short time frame. We are powered by AI, but all of that has human oversight on it. Otherwise, if that's not you, YouTube has a video somewhere on the screen, which they feel may be the best one for you to watch based on videos that you've watched in the past. I'll see you in there.